I know Hoseok is gonna murder me. 안녕하십니까 여러분. 새로 머리색이 있어요. 네, 지난번부터 염색했어요. 좋아요? 저는 좋아요. 아직도 한국어를 잘 못해서 생각하는데 항상 좋아지고 보고 있어요. 언젠가 가장 적게 이야기할 수 있을 거예요. 네네네. Yeah, so I recently dyed my hair pink. I was gonna start off this whole thing being like, what's different? I don't understand what you guys are looking at. But yeah, I recently dyed my hair pink. It's a little bit crazier than I wanted, but I'm getting used to it. Hopefully it looks pretty good. So yes, I know it's been a little while, but I'm back and I wanted to react to the Airplane Part 2 music video. And it's a couple of days late, but I haven't seen it yet, and I'm excited to see it. Airplane Part 2 wasn't really one of my favorite songs on Tier. To me, it was sort of like Mic Drop, but more like of a sensual mic drop. I wasn't the biggest fan of the fact that they basically just took Hobie's verse from Airplane from his mixtape and put it into Airplane Part 2 and sped it up, and they didn't have him come up with any new content for it. I don't know whose idea that was exactly, but I would have appreciated... I know they wanted to, I think, tie in the two songs together, which was cool. You know, as soon as we saw the title for it, we were like, what? What? Collectively as ARMY. But I would have liked to hear something different with that. But I love the choreography for it, and I think from like little GIFs that I've seen on Tumblr that we get a lot of the choreography in this video. So I'm really excited to see that. I love how the group plays off each other, as always. So let's jump right in. 3, 2, 1, go. The Bangtan Saloon. I love the things that they do with the mic in this. And there's Namjoon. I love that part of the choreography so much. Oh, cool. They just have so much fun with this. It's fun to watch because they have so much fun with this. Oh, here we go. I just shake my head at Jungkook. Are you okay, Jimin? Yeah. Oh my, I still love that they incorporated that into the dance. Jin, please. They were like, we have to put Jin in the rain. We must have everyone in the rain. This is just rude. I feel like half of my reaction to that was just me shaking my head at what was going on, because they're just so rude. I mean, like, they don't try, but they just are. Such handsome guys. And they had such fun with that, you know. I do enjoy Airplane Part 2. It might not be one of my favorite songs, but I really love the choreography, and I really love, they just have so much fun with it, and you know, whether it's one of my favorite songs or not, I know Hosaka is gonna murder me. I know the group members are just gonna, you know, Jin's gonna be handsome and amazing looking. Jungkook's gonna be like also good looking and just like without even trying. Nobody tries, just they know what they're doing to us, but they don't care. Enough of the ranting. That was really good. I really love, I'm not surprised. I really love the BTS music videos and what they do with editing. Like the cuts between scenes are always really good. This kind of reminded me of Mic Drop again, but like honestly the Mic Drop music video with the transitions and stuff. I mean, they play with it a little more. It's a different song with Mic Drop, so their transitions are more snappy. I don't know. These are like smooth, also snappy in their own way, but different, but also very reminiscent. I really enjoy it. That was great. There's not much to say about this, unfortunately, but I'm back. Hopefully, I'll be recording a couple more reaction videos today to RM's mixtape songs. So, well, at least the lyric videos that are out there. Yeah, thank you for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye. Treat me like a comma and I'll take you to your praise. That's cool. That's cool. And it like, and I guess I think it's from being a writer that I'm like, commas! So excited about punctuation.